I would definitely take flying. I'm a huge foodie and I really like to eat, so having the ability to go somewhere very far and still make it back within my lunch break is definitely, that's a winner in my book. My name is John Johnson III. I'm a senior engineer here at Gaming Laboratories International. When we focus on game emulation testing, we're looking at the core, the backbone of any software that's submitted to GLI. What we do is we take the manufacturer's submitted source code and we create a special debug test version of the software that allows us to fix the outcomes of the game. So instead of endlessly playing the game, looking for a particular combination, we can just immediately force that concern to see if everything works as the manufacturer details that it should work. The true benefits of game emulation testing are being able to find those little cracks in the software before they go out to the field and affect the player. We always want to certify that the player is never cheated when they use an electronic gambling device, and GLI is here to certify that no games or no components that are out in the field available for player use are tampered with or any way or misleading to the player. Baja Miguel's down at the South Point. Being from El Paso, I'll admit I'm a little picky about our Tex-Mex. It's a little different out here, but Vegas does a very good job of, attempting to get it. The three most important steps in game testing, the mathematics analysis would be one. Number two would definitely be the emulation testing. And number three would be documentation. The mathematics analysis is a very key component of any submission that comes in. If the math analysis is incorrect, certain games will be unable to go to certain jurisdictions. Anything that you test needs to be documented as fully, as clearly as possible, so that in the event that a regulator would like to see any of our test results, or internally, if we have an audit, we are able to provide that information at the drop of a hat. The importance of mentorship, I think, in any field is a huge, huge, huge thing. It's a skill that some people have, some people don't. It's a skill that I try to learn from others, develop more daily, and just try to push myself as much as I can to be there for my team as well. My parents were the first that drove me down that path. My mother, she was very frustrated coming home, and a lot of the household appliances were taken apart at the house, the washing machine, the toaster, and she'd come home and ask me, why is the toaster in pieces on the counter? And the only answer that I could give her is, I wanted to see how it worked. You put the toast in, you push the little lever, what's going on the inside that now my toast is ready? So, she sat me down and she's, you have engineer written all over you. You can get through so much more in life by having a good attitude about it. Anytime you walk into a bad situation, just having a pleasant outcome will sometimes change the whole situation in a room. Everybody should have a great experience when they gamble, whether physically, remotely, electronically, and we're here to provide that service, to give the player the confidence to know that what they're playing, it's doing what it says it's supposed to do.